4.5 hours on this damn bus. They must have stopped every 5 minutes for the first hour. But we are here in Villa de Leyva, and now we have to walk to our hostel in the dark. The drive here was really beautiful though, I will say that.
We are getting ourselves into a free salsa lesson. Says why not?
We'll see how this goes. So we just finished our first attempt at a dance lesson in Colombia.
It was a solid hour of stiff gringos.
Really like small town vibe here. So we're gonna go grab some arepas, which is a typical food of Colombia. Starving. Getting some football. So one of the cool things about the small town, you get little hole in the wall restaurants like this.
En un momento algo más, pero
por el momento una.
This is arepas. It's kind of like a quesadilla. All right, so we are in Villa de Leyva. We are going to head over to some waterfalls today, get some hiking in. It's not too hot out, it's not cold like Bogota, so we are excited. Made some friends here at the hostel. We're gonna go with them and see you out there. We are in the countryside. All right, off to the trail. This is the trail right here. All right. Oh, it's getting documented. That's the sign. Let's make sure. Look at this view. For some nice drone shots.
Damn it.
Spiderweb?
Yeah.
You need a stick?
I just don't want the spider on me.
trying to get to these waterfalls. Complicated than we thought.
Made it.
Real slippery.
This little guy crashed in the middle of this forest. We've been searching for literally like 10 minutes and found it somehow, miraculously. It's in perfect shape, just a little broken propeller.
Was sitting right there.
I managed to walk right by it, so.
Good thing we were following up behind. And that's $1,000 that was gone for a second and now it's back.
It's back. Nuts.
Hey there, buddy.
Looks like it's roasting in the sun.
Yeah, it was upside down. Maybe you couldn't
put it in the bushes.
Well, been walking up this hill.
We went the wrong way. So we went downhill the whole way, which of course means to get back. Where'd we have to go?
Trying to find this path of the angel.
Coming into the path of the angels. Guess we're not supposed to go here. Oops. Look at that. Oh.
exhausted, pretty much out of water, need to get back to town, and I'm about to cross this. There's thunder. Not a good sign. We are far from town. Haven't seen a taxi. Oops.
Go grab a drink, maybe. See what this has.
We know the rain's coming. Gonna see if they got some water here because we're out of water. Just some locals.
You want some waters? What you want?
Yeah. Probably take a cerveza and a banana. What about you guys? What do you think?
Yeah, I'll take a cerveza. ¿Cuánto cuesta?
Señor,
Tres cervezas para seis mil.
Seis.
pero valen a
Or 7 mil
A ver,
y un
¿quién?
banana.
a ver quién.
Por aquí.
Muchas gracias. Oh man.
Cheers.
Cheers is right.
Yeah. San Gil. San Gil. You gotta go to San Gil.
Qué rico pa' cantar, me dejó una chiva, una burra negra, una yegua blanca y una vela negra. Ay, hombre.
Love it. Love it.
Ya trae la idea porque todo está nuevo aquí encima.
Todos los días.
Sí, señor.
Es frijoles de café.
Sí, es café. El café. Sí, señor.
¿Cómo se llamas?
Café. El de hacer el
Y
tinto.
tú.
Ah, ¿yo? Rosalba. Rosalba.
Rosalba.
Sí, señor.
¿Y tú?
Gerardo Espitia. Gerardo.
Heraldo.
Gerardo.
Heraldo.
Tree, an orange tree, coffee beans.
Me llamo Dylan.
¿Cómo?
Dylan.
¿Viven?
Dylan.
Ya.
Ah, ya.
No, me llamo Quinn. Quinn.
Claro.
Correcto.
Mi nombre es Gary. Gary.
Claro. Ve, ahí es donde digo yo casi no quiero.
Muchas gracias.
Sí, señor, yo tengo contento con él.
Esperándolos, ven. Estoy contento, bienvenido, sí, señor.
Muchas
Chao.
gracias.
Que les
Chao,
vaya
chao.
bien, chao.
Gracias. Ciao, ciao. Doesn't get much more Colombian than that.
Nope.
They even called a car for us, so we didn't have to walk an hour. So we came across this pretty insane church, Santa Sofia. Don't know that I've ever seen anything like it. Hola, amigo. Hola. Damn. This is nuts.
¿Cuál es la favorita?
¿Croissants?
Sí. ¿Y 12?
¿Tiene algo dentro?
Jamón y queso.
Ah, ok.
Y bocadillo y queso.
¿Y
Flauticas con bocadillo.
12? Mejor 12?
Dulce.
Mejor.
Sweet.
Yeah, mejor 12.
Dulce.
Mejor.
¿Dulce?
Sí.
¿De dulce?
También. Uno y...
O sea, para cada uno.
No.
You said you want something sweet and one of these.
Sí.
¿O quiere uno de estos y algo dulce? Como...
Bien, dulce hay
Hay de esto, hay de estos también con bocadillo. Palitos con coco.
Y galletas de coco.
Cereales.
¿Son qué?
Cereales.
Cereal.
¿Y coco también? ¿O?
No, esas llevan hojuelas, uvas, maní.
VIP tour. Hola. Dia de Leyva. I've attracted all the dogs of Colombia. Yeah, it is. Dia de Leyva. So I was gonna record the food, but there's none left. Couldn't wait. Arepas were amazing. How much were they? Like 6,000?
6,000. Yeah.
So $2. This juice, fresh squeezed strawberry juice, they got mango. This was literally 3,000 pesos, which is $1. Amazing. Lunch for $5. So we were supposed to take off today and go to a place called Barachara and then spend one night and go to a place called Bucaramanga. Unfortunately, because it's like the spring break of Colombia, they call it Holy Week. We're not going to go because it's way too expensive. So we are going to stay here one more night and take a 20-hour bus to the coast tomorrow. It is not exactly my most favored plan, but unfortunately, in terms of making our money last as long as possible, it's what we have to do. Otherwise, we would end up having to spend a lot on a plane ticket and 8-hour buses in between and all this stuff. So, yeah, it's an adventure. That's what we're here for.
So neither Dylan nor I drink coffee, but when in Colombia,
You drank some Colombian coffee.
this is campesino. It has cinnamon, raw sugarcane from straight out of Colombia.
Oh, that's strong. That's really strong.
Cheers, mates.
Cheers, boys.
That's hot as hell. Excuse my language.
I don't know.
Actually, that's not bad. I'm not a coffee fan.
That's good, I like it.
I wouldn't say I like it, but I can bear it.
Tell her.
Can you tell us one more time what kind that is? Oh, sorry. No. ¿Qué típico café?
La variedad
La variedad.
es una variedad que se llama raspberry.
Sí. Oh.
I don't know what he said, but there you have it.
We are flying the drone in this little square, and we've got a visitor.
Oh, what a great shot. Say hello. Como dices hola.
Hello.
Hello.
Ay, yo no olvido, no, el año viejo, porque me ha dejado cosas muy buenas. Me dejó una chiva, una burra negra, una yegua blanca y una buena suegra. Me dejó una chivita, una burra muy negrita, una yegua muy blanquita y una buena suegra. Me dejó una chiva, una burra negra, una yegua blanca y una buena suegra. Me dejó cosas buenas, cosas muy bonitas. Me dejó una chiva, una burra negra, una yegua blanca y una buena suegra. Qué bueno para bailar, mira mulata, qué rico para cantar. Me dejó una chiva, una burra.
The drone is definitely an attention getter in these places.
$3 haircuts in Colombia, 10,000 pesos. We just did it. None of that
$50 BS.
$50 in LA and $30 in Portland. So if you want a haircut, go to Colombia.
Yeah, they do a good job too. Pretty happy.
We are the only ones staying in this building, and it is creepy. Do you want to shine a flashlight? This is like the kind of place where, like,
This is the start of a scary movie. That's what it is.
two gringos in this massive building. Yeah. We are definitely locking that door.
We're on the way to Tuna, a very full bus.
The 1 hour warm up for our 20-hour bus ride. So we barely made this here. Our bus driver. Okay with meat, chicken. Yeah. So we barely made it here on time. We've got like 10 minutes to spare. We gotta hop on this 20-hour bus ride, trying to grab some food because we couldn't stop at the market. So here we were thinking we were gonna be late for the bus, and
As it says on the ticket, 11.
but just like everything else in South America, it's late. So they said it's gonna be 11:30, which is 15 minutes from now. ¿Tienes arepas con queso? 12 solo queso.
¿Quieres paquetico, mi amor?
Quiero solo queso, no 12.
¿Cuántas?
Dos.
2 unidades o 3, mire.
Un momento, mi amigo. Is it here? Apparently you also don't catch the bus at the actual bus station.
We catch it across the street from the bus station, of course.
So we're staying on the top. Yeah, 30. I have 39.
39, 38. You said 38.
I have 39. So we bought these chips because they were the only available. They say natural.
What is that? What is that? I'm still eating it because I'm so hungry. In Colombia,
They got the bottle of whiskey. That's the food. Subway has never tasted so good.
after eating only arepas and empanadas like for the past 2-3 days. We are about 8 hours in. We were late getting our tickets, so our only option was to sit on the upper deck. The lower deck, there are like huge first class leather seats, tons of room, so spacious. And what happens when you're late getting your tickets, it's first come, first serve, so we had to sit upstairs. Little space, crying babies, loud music coming from the speaker, extremely loud movies that, yeah.
We are about 3 to 5 miles from the Venezuelan border. We are literally like right there. That was the gas station of the town. So after a 22-hour bus ride to get here, we have found out that we apparently missed the last bus to take us where we need to go, which is another 4 hours away. Trying to figure things out. The one hotel that was suggested to us by Pro Colombia was completely full. We have no plan. Nothing.